Dyson V11 Cordless Stick Vacuum Review. Let's see how much hair is on the rug. Starting with an empty canister. Notice how easily it glides across the rug and hardwood floors. I love the stick vacuum because it is light enough that I can use it with only one hand. I can also easily get under low surfaces such as my coffee table. The best part is that it is cordless and still has really good suction. Wow, look at how much hair it picked up. It is also very easy to empty when it gets full. Let's see how much hair it left behind on the rug. Looks pretty clean to me. It also has 3 different power modes. Time to switch attachments. This attachment is perfect for couches, beds, and other furniture. It is great for picking up dog hair. Much better. This attachment is perfect to get in small areas without having to bend over. I can easily get in between the kennel and wall without having to move the kennel at all. I can remove the long stick to use the crevice attachment for windowsills. It's also perfect for sliding doors. Final result.